Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the product matches the target pest and surface. That matters because misuse wastes product and risks harm. Once you confirm, put on gloves and a mask and open windows for ventilation. Shake the container thoroughly, then aim at a small hidden area and apply a short 1/2 second spray to test reaction. Make sure to follow label rates so you deliver the right concentration. Start with a controlled, measured application to avoid overuse. You now move through the space methodically, treating entry points and harborage zones where pests hide. This concentrates effect where it counts. Keep the nozzle about 6 to 12 inches from the surface so droplets spread evenly rather than run. Once done with a zone, advance with overlapping short bursts to maintain consistent coverage. Avoid saturating fabric or plants that could be damaged. If treating outdoors, wait for calm conditions to prevent drift and apply during cooler parts of the day. You finish by wiping any drips, sealing the container, and storing it safely away from children and pets. That prevents accidental exposure later. Make sure to note the treatment date and monitor for 7 to 10 days. If pests persist, reevaluate identification and consider a different method or professional help. If you spot adverse effects like residue damage or exposure, rinse skin or eyes for 15 minutes and contact poison control. Keep the label handy to explain what you used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.